This part of IEC 61131 constitutes part 1 of a series of standard on programmable controllers and their associated peripherals and should be read in conjunction with the other parts of the series. Where a conflict existed between these and other IEC standards, accepted basic safety standards, the provision of these standards should be considered to govern in the area of programmable controllers and their associated peripherals. The purpose of this standard are: Part 1 establishes the definition and identifies the principal characteristics relevant to the selection and application of programmable controllers and their associated peripherals. Part 2 specifies equipment requirements and related tests for programmable controllers, PLC, and their associated peripherals. Part 3 defines for each of the most commonly used programming language major fields of application, syntactic and semantic roles, simple but complex basic sets of programming elements, applications, tests, and means with which manufacturers may expand or adapt those basic sets to their programmable controllers implementation. Part 4 gives general overview, information and application guides of the standard for the PLC and washer. Part 5 defines the communication between programmable controllers and other electronic systems. Part 6 is reserved. Part 7 defines the programmation language for voice control. Part 8 gives guidelines for the application and implementation of the programming languages defined in Part 3. The functionality of a programmable controller can be performed as well on specific hardware and software platform as on general purpose computers or a personal computer with industrial environment features. This standard applies to any products performing the function and PLCs and other associated peripherals. This standard does